Hey, we're back at our house in Mesa, bordering Tempe. Come on in. So as we were discussing last time, what we were gonna do here, it had a wall. Wasn't sure if we had it in the budget to take it out and open this up. I'm glad we did. It's just gonna make a huge difference. Huge difference. Added the AC vents. The laundry room also didn't have a vent. We added one back here too. Sweet. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Also demoed out all the flooring in here. We're gonna swoop down this hallway. We got some new doors in. We're gonna standardize all the doors. Got a new vanity we framed in this closet. Got drywall and texture already in. This thing's coming right along. Sweet. Oh yeah, I'm building out a new shower. I'm glad this really needed to happen. Sweet. This is gonna be awesome. Looks much better, much better. Just gotta finish up texture, get our doors installed. We'll be ready for paint. Boom. So this is the progress. This is all been done in about 7 days. So moving right along. We'll give you another update here, probably in another week. Hopefully we'll be close to completion.